Hi, it's Chloe, and I'm back with another Mosaic in Minutes video. In this video, we're building this smooth, slightly fancy, and very clickable blurred sticky button right here. Let's see how it's done. I've already got my container set up, but it's missing the star of the show. So let's open the add panel and drop in a button real quick. Nice. Now let's fix its look by switching it to the primary L variant. Already better. Next, I'll update the text. And of course, we need an icon, so we'll head back to the Add panel and drop in an icon element. Open the icon library, search for ticket, and grab one you like. Nice! Now let's get this button centered. To do that, on the Style panel, set the Justify option to center. And there it is. Now let's pick the background color. I'll keep the color and change the alpha. That subtle transparency is the secret sauce. You won't fully see it yet, but trust the process. But first, let's get this button stretching all the way. For that, we're setting the width to 100%. And if that feels a little too dramatic, no panic. Just set a max width. I'll go with 8 columns. That's the sweet spot. Next, we'll set the position to sticky. I want it to stick 40 pixels from the bottom. Let's check it out real quick. Nice. It sticks exactly where we want it. But we are not done. Thanks to the transparency we applied earlier, the content in the background shows a little. But we are still missing the blur effect, which we can add using the backdrop filter here. And you know what? The default 5 pixels already looks pretty smooth to me. And that's it. Our sticky blurred button is ready. Thanks for watching. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and join our community. Links in the description.